A fuel injector is a component in an internal combustion engine that sprays fuel into the engine's combustion chamber. It precisely delivers the right amount of fuel at the right time, ensuring efficient combustion and optimal engine performance. Fuel injectors are essential for modern engines, replacing older carburetor systems for better fuel efficiency and emissions control. The most common symptoms of a bad fuel injector. Number 1. Engine misfires. A malfunctioning injector can lead to uneven fuel delivery, causing the engine to misfire. Number 2. Poor fuel economy. If an injector is stuck open, it may allow too much fuel into the combustion chamber, leading to increased fuel consumption. Number 3. Rough idling. The engine may idle roughly or vibrate due to inconsistent fuel delivery. Number 4. Loss of power. You might experience a noticeable decrease in acceleration and overall engine power. Number 5. Check engine light. The check engine light may illuminate, often accompanied by diagnostic trouble codes related to the fuel system. Number 6. Fuel leaks. A damaged injector can leak fuel, which may create a strong fuel smell and pose a fire hazard. Number 7. Hard starting. Difficulty starting the engine can occur if the injectors are not delivering fuel properly. Number 8. Excessive emissions. A faulty injector can lead to incomplete combustion, resulting in increased emissions and potentially failing an emissions test. Number 9. Engine noise. Unusual noises such as knocking or pinging may arise from improper fuel delivery. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe, like and share buttons.